Once upon a time, in the heart of a vibrant jungle, there was a magnificent waterfall, cascading its crystal-clear waters into a hidden oasis. Behind the wall of shimmering water, lay a secret realm where beautiful fairies dwelled. This place was called the Enchanted Oasis. The fairies were as diverse as the flowers around them. There was Aurora, with her lavender wings that glowed like a gentle aurora borealis. She had a knack for making the trees burst into bloom and was often found sprinkling her magic over the forest. Lumina, with her golden wings, was like a beacon of light, guiding lost creatures safely through the underbrush. Then there was Zephyr, whose wings mirrored the sky's blues and whites. She danced on the breezes, crafting playful gusts of wind that made the leaves whisper secrets. The fairies lived harmoniously among the creatures of the forest, tending to the plants and ensuring the balance of nature. One sunny morning, as Aurora tended to her flowers, she noticed the forest was unusually silent. The cheerful chatter of birds had vanished, and a mysterious fog began to veil the woods. Concerned, Aurora gathered Lumina and Zephyr. Together, they descended the waterfall and ventured into the forest to discover what was amiss. As they fluttered through the trees, they met a wise old turtle named Eldor who spoke in a deep, slow voice. "Ah, fairies, this fog has come from a forgotten magic. It lies beyond the Dark Thicket, where an ancient spirit slumbers." Eldor explained that the spirit's slumber was disturbed, and the fairies realized they had to help restore peace. With courage in their hearts and Eldor's guidance, they went to the edge of the Dark Thicket. As they entered, they saw shadows playing tricks, and the trees appeared twisted. Lumina lit their path with her golden glow, and the fairies pressed on, singing a soft, calming melody. Finally, they reached the spirit's resting place. Aurora approached and gently touched the spirit with her warm light. With a shimmer, the spirit began to glow, awakening gently from its disturbed rest. The fog lifted, and the jungle came alive with sound once more. The grateful spirit whispered a blessing, returning the peace that once was. The fairies returned to their oasis, knowing the jungle's harmony was preserved. And so, the fairies continued their watch over the Enchanted Oasis, their secret realm behind the waterfall, forever a place of wonder and magic.